What if I told you that the next Dogecoin or Pepe coin is already out there right now and you could catch it before it goes viral? Today I'm revealing exactly how to find the next viral meme coin before it explodes. The tools I personally use, the strategy pros use to ride the meme coin wave without getting wrecked. In 2021, Dogecoin made millionaires. In 2023, Bitcoin did it again, and in 2025, one of these new coins will do it next. But the question is, how do you find the meme coins early before anybody else has almost bought them? So the first thing you need to do is just get yourself a phantom wallet and add it to whatever browser you have or on the mobile phone. If you do the trades on Jupiter Exchange, you will get lower fees and more coins when you actually do these trades. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website here called Solscan. This is a website where you can see all of the people's trades and who has done trades. This is just a one-step thing you need to do. So let's say we want to track a specific person here to see daily. So this person here got plus 71 soul. It's called West Beaver. Let's go into him and we copy the code. You just click on top there, and as you see here, this is another wallet I just added, and this lets me track wallets 100% for free. You just sign up with a account on Axiom.trade. So you go to trackers and we just copied our wallet. So trackers, and then you click this button here and add wallet. On top here we add the wallet and we call this Beaver add Solana wallet. So now we have a few wallets in our account here, and what we can actually do now is we can check which coins he actually has. And here we can just see, okay, he sold Hono and he bought Hono. So that's a good thing. You don't probably want to go into that coin. And you can add Cupsy's wallet. He has a lot of trades, but at the moment I think he's down a lot. Okay, he's up a lot and he's down a lot. So he lost $14,000 in 241,000 K. So as you see here, he has some wallets. But every time a person that you track adds or buys a coin, it will automatically come up here on the Axiom.trade. Okay, another thing you can do, you can go into a website called DexTools. You have DexScreener too, but DexTools is a good app. You can just check, okay, and you can go in. Okay, so who has the snort is token here. We can copy the address of the pair or the actual coin itself, and we can go into this here and we can just add the token here. Nothing. We can search snort, and then you can go down to dev tokens. Okay, and then you see how many tokens he actually created, and what you want to have is something like this. So a bubble map checker. So here you have some wallets that have a lot, but this is a decent bubble map, and you can go into a coin that actually has that has gone down in the last days. And another website you can also do is you can go to cooking or Jupiter Exchange, and you can track different types. Top traded coin, Trump, CBTC, Met, Pump, useless. But the one thing you want to do is just track coins and check the coins itself. So on this here website called DexTools, we can go down and we can actually see top traders. So we want to see the traders that actually have a lot of P&L. So we can track, let's say this one here. Now we open the Etherscan and we can see what tokens he has. Okay. Another thing you can do, you can go into DexScreener. Same thing, top traders, and you can see a person that bought and sold. Okay, so this is the top address. You can check it out on Solscan, and we can see what other coins he has here in the list below. So if you find a coin that's probably something good, can go and check it out. P name, we copy the address and we just put it into DexScreener. So actually finding coins that's going up in price is time consuming, and you need to track and watch for wallets all the time. Okay, check out the bubble map. So this is a good example of something you do not want to invest in. Okay, look at this here. So show all transfers. So this is insane. So as you see here, all these wallets have connected in some way or form. So you can just find the top wallet there, and as you see here, he owns a lot of the freaking supply. That's something you do not want to buy. Okay, another thing we can do is we can go into the tools here and top a new pairs. This is a really time consuming project here, chill tower. And then this is a fairly new coin. Let's see down here, check out the bubble map. Looks decent when it comes to the bubble map pair, and you always want to have the buying volume last 24 hours increasing and higher than the selling volume. Okay, the 5 minutes is decent, not huge, but if you're starting to see 25 volume down a lot and it just goes down and down and down, do not buy. Okay, wait until coin stabilizes and goes a bit sideways. That's what you want, and then you want to nail price at that coin. So, but my overall favorite is actually Axiom.trade website. You can go to the discover, but the tracking thing here is great. You can also add Twitter handles on the top here, so you have Twitter alerts. That's a great thing too. What I really want or like is this here. Okay, so he sold Epifun, and I suspect that this is going down now because he sold. So also check out the dev tokens. It's only 130 holders, so this is fairly new coin. I suggest do not get into the coins the most early process. Okay, you have websites like PumpFun too, but that website is dangerous. Okay, if you want to lose a lot of freaking money, you buy coins on this website here. So as you see already, Group 7 is there, it's trending. So Group 7, I really have a lot of say in this, but a lot of the dev actually bought, so he owns a lot of the coin. But again, I think because if you search Twitter for Group 7, it's huge. Okay, a lot of news sources are already bought and talking about Group 7, but overall this is dangerous. Okay, so you have the watch list. I really don't like this website here because you have the newly created, about to graduate, and graduated. Usually when it's graduated, you see the price just plummets down. So this Shinu market cap 4K. So it could be good to track tokens, but overall you want people to actually be in the coin. And as you see here, we have Fun Devon, so you can see Pandora 11 hours ago. That could be a good project actually. Two other websites that usually list the coin on their website is CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. These are actually, I think it is paid. You have to pay to get the coins listed there. So when project actually lists here, usually in the short term they're going to try to get centralized exchanges to list the coin, and when a centralized exchange like MEXC or other exchanges list the coin, the price goes higher. Okay, another website is this website here, where we have cryptocurrencies listed. Okay, just like CoinMarketCap. So as you see here, we have the meme section, and then we have the top gainers. So Chill House is a top gainer. Check it out if they actually listed. They have listed the coin on some exchanges. So as you see, when I listed the coin, the price goes up. Highest price was 29. So this could be a potential good project. What you do then is you take the contract address, put it into Axiom.trade, take the coin there, and you track top traders. You want to see a person that bought and sold with a huge profit. So he bought for $56,000 and earned 177k. Okay, he has 0 left. But what I really like to do is I like to go a bit down here and just, this is a time consuming thing. Okay, it's really time, it takes a lot of freaking time. So we can track this wallet here. When we click the wallet in the Axiom.trade, you can see the history. So other coins he has bought and 0 there. Active positions, he has Jupiter, Ray, Trump, Saros. These are all the coins you can see he has. This is the real game. When you find a trader that has huge amounts of profits, like this trader here, take the address, copy the address on top there, and you go into the tracker section, add wallet, paste wallet, and just say whatever, you chill tower boy. Add Solana wallet. So now we have that there and you can just check it. So one person that has earned a lot of freaking money is this account here, but at the moment I think he's down a bit. So P&L, as you see, active positions, and now he lost a lot of freaking money there on some tokens. As you see here, lost 8,000 there. So he has lost a bit in the past, but basically he earns also a lot. Also bought the troll. And when you find a coin, you copy the address on top there, or copy the address of the coin, go into Jupiter Exchange, connect your Phantom wallet there. You can also do it on your mobile phone. Just download the Jupiter Dex wallet, create an account, add money to it, paste the address on top there, click that button, and then here you can just choose how much you want to buy and buy the freaking token. So this is great to do because you get more than just adding the coin to Phantom wallet and buying through Phantom. You will actually save a lot of freaking money on fees if you do it on the Jupiter Exchange. So I hope you got some value out of this video on the Crypto Cobra YouTube channel, and I hope you got value out of this video to find different coins. So just create a wallet on Jupiter Exchange. Do not invest more than you have to lose it. Any cryptocurrency out there, and most important, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment your thoughts what your best strategy is to find meme coins. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share this video with all of your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.